Masiro serikal oduoko jatend DCP Gachagua ewi weche ma owacho ni jatend piny William Ruto oserem chopo singo manomiyo jo Kenya higni 4 mokalo. Giwacho ni Gachagua ni kod ich lit gi Ruto kuom negole oko e apisi. Yor bura go kotelnegi kod jatend kweth mathoth e od bura mamalo Kimani Ichung'wa bende owacho ni Gachagua ochwal ripot ne obila kaponi ochich ni nitiere ng'ikruok e sekta mar arita. Lilian Atieno nigi ler.
First, our apologies, we've taken unduly long.
Saa machuok bang' jatend DCP Gachagua golo lipot e wi tij jatend piny William Ruto kuom higni 4 mosekalo. Jod bura motenore korka sirkal oduogo kod duoko mager ne Gachagua ka gichako kod kwere e miyo Ruto maksi marach e tije.
He has run out of tricks and has resorted to unimaginable innuendos, malicious rumors and reckless disparagement of institutions.
Jotelogo bende olieko ni Gachagua ne en jamibadhi e kinde manene sirkal kaka jalup tend piny, gino manomiyo gwethe oko.
When he was deputy president, he joined hands with coffee cartels to steal from the very same farmers he purports to be speaking for today. Kenyans will remember he demanded 3 shillings for every kilogram of coffee sold by farmers at the coffee exchange. Mr. Rigathi, we are here to tell you that the 3 shillings you are demanding is now going directly to the Kenyan farmers, including those in the Mount Kenya region. And those coffee farmers today, unlike in 2022 when they were earning 70 shillings per kilo, are now earning between 120 shillings to 160 shillings per kilogram.
I know why he's ranting today. It's because of what happened in Naivasha the last 2 days.
He saw the numbers.
He saw the numbers. He saw the force. He saw the organizational. Now he has realized he's only working with 3 people.
Jod burago dwaro ni Gachagua owelosa oyaye konge kod neno malongo kake witho mag jok moluore pachoka karanyisi en mano ma owacho mar Raila Odinga.
Present the evidence, present the name, present the documents, the dates, present the witnesses, and then hand them over to appropriate investigative and judicial institutions to take action. Spare bereaved and mourning families the pain of having to relieve their losses as you play your cheap politics.
The President of the Republic of Tanzania, on our own initiative, decided to come here and do arbitration. When we were waiting for President Ruto the following day, President Ruto called President Suluhu and he said that my deputy president, Rigathi Gachagua, has told me you cannot go to that meeting. If you go, I will resign as a deputy president.
Lilian Atieno, Ramogi.